Hello, this is Mike from Easy Arms Keeper, and in this video we will be discussing the FFL firearms transfer feature. This is Bob. Bob is transferring a batch of ARs to Tom's FFL in order to have Tom anodize the ARs. Fortunately, both use Easy Arms Keeper. Before Bob starts the transfer, he makes sure that his email settings are correct and working. He goes to File, Options, Email. He clicks the Send Test Email button and checks his email to make sure it went through, which it did. Bob then goes to Contact, Find Contact, and searches for Tom's contact. He right-clicks on Tom's contact file and clicks Edit Contact. He then checks the Send Firearm Transfer Email to Contact box. Bob then continues to do the regular transfer to Tom and knows that when he clicks OK, Tom will be getting an email with the details of the transfer. Not only does this save Tom a ton of time when acquiring the ARs from Bob, it also reduces the chance of human data entry error. Even better, when Tom has completed an anodization process, he can return the favor to Bob and send him an email that Bob can easily import the firearms back in Easy Arms Keeper when the firearms are returned. For more information about how to set up your email system, please contact your IT professional or email us at info@easyarmskeeper.com. This has been Mike with Easy Arms Keeper, and you have an easy day.